What you see on the screen is a prosperity plant, popular also for its attractive and glossy foliage. Hello there and welcome to our video series on money plants. In this video, I will show you how to water the plant and I will tell you its prosperity name. The botanical name of this plant is quite long. I actually practiced saying it many times before making this video, but I still can't say it. Its common names, however, are easy to say. For example, ZZ plant, Zanibar gem, eternity plant. Its prosperity common name is less known in English-speaking countries. This plant is thought to belong to the gold grade of money plants. Gold money tree is its prosperity common name. Now I'm going to show you how to water this plant. The plant in general does not like frequent watering, and it likes a good drink when you do water it. I usually would water it once every 3 or 4 weeks in summer, and our summer is not that hot. Usually it's not that hot. And in winter, probably 6, 7, 8 weeks, depending on the heating condition of the room. So make a judgment yourself. For a plant this size, it's in a medium pot. It's still in its original pot. And by the way, this plant is 3 years old. For a plant this size, I usually use about 4 cups of water. I'll just show you. I'm not going to water the plant because I have already watered it. When I was making the video, after I watered it, I made a mistake with my English, so I'm making this video again. All I can do is showing you how much water I use. So about 4 measuring cups, okay? Let me know how you go with yours, or whether you're interested in having a plant like this. Or wait until you see more videos on money plants before you make a decision. That's all good. And till next time, have fun with your money plants.